Here's how to fix 403 forbidden error in Chrome. First, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Next, enter netsh space windsock space reset and press Enter. Once you've run both commands, close the Command Prompt window and check if you can access the website. If the error is still appearing, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it, then make sure View By in the top right corner is set to Large Icons. Now, click on Network and Sharing Center and select your current Wi-Fi connection. Click on Properties, then find Internet Protocol version 6 and make sure the checkbox next to it is unchecked. Click OK to save the change. Next, open the connection properties again, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. At the bottom, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8888 as the preferred DNS server and 8844 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK, close the remaining windows, and try accessing the website again. If you're still seeing the 400 the forbidden error, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings, then click on Reset Settings from the left-hand menu. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. When the confirmation message appears, click Reset Settings. After that, try opening the website again to see if the problem has been resolved. If the error continues, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Here, select Network and Internet. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Now, select Network Reset and click Reset Now. When you're asked to confirm, click Yes. Once the reset is complete, restart your computer and try accessing the website again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.